Hi, today we're talking about class registration form. So, if you're looking to register students for any particular class, this form can be helpful for your use case. So, once you download this template, you will have two sections, that is the form builder and the responses view. Under the form builder, you can see the entire form in one glance, that is, all the fields have been added over here for your particular students. And under the responses view, you can capture all the responses that the students are submitting. So, what you're going to do is simply click on the form builder, click on share form, and this will open up this pop-up. Click on copy form link, and this form link is copied, and expose this link to the particular students who are registering for your courses. And once the student fills in all the records for the particular form, you can capture the responses under the responses view. So I'm going to quickly fill in this form with random information, and then we're going to test how exactly it works. Okay, so I'm just putting in some random information over here, and I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has been submitted. And if you go back to this responses view, you will able to see the response has been captured over here. So you can simply provide this form link. You can obviously edit and modify all the fields as per your choices. It is fully functional, and you can even add more fields as per requirements. But this is how you can expose this link to the students, and they can quickly fill in the details to be captured in the responses view. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output helps you generate bulk documents using a Google document as a source of template file, and it also requires a Google Sheet or a Notion database, which acts as a source of the database to be replaced in the Google document. So basically, you can define the entire PDF file in the Google document. You can edit and modify as you normally do, and then you can provide a source of data in a Google Sheet or Notion database for the information you want to replace and generate in bulk documents. I've added a video of how you can generate bulk invoices utilizing the exact flow. You can watch this video to understand more about the process, and obviously you can check out PDF Output to know more about this process and start generating documents for your use case. If you are in need of any assistance or help, reach out to me at notion for my use at gmail.com. This is where I will be able to assist you with any queries or any specific template requirements. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.